Hi everyone, it's Myriam with a Y. This is not going to be a typical light-hearted video. No real tutorial either. Though I guess you might glean some things that might help while you're watching this, but I don't know. But that's not the goal. Unlike other videos where my goal is to share techniques or products that might be helpful to you, what's prompted me to make this video is something that's been heavy on my heart for countless weeks. And that is the continuing crisis being endured by the people and all life in Australia as the country continues to battle bushfires that have raged since September of last year, with many of them still burning despite a series of rains that have finally fallen in this past week. The rain helped douse some fires, but not all, because some areas never got rain. And also, sadly, the rain brought new problems of its own. It came as storms with damaging hail and hurricane force winds, and because the land is so parched by drought and scorched by fire, it can't even easily accept the sudden onslaught of rain. So flooding has been a concern. The loss of human life and the overwhelming destruction to date is heartbreaking. Over 15 million acres of land, habitats, ecosystems is now scorched earth. The air quality is poor and even hazardous in many regions as the smoke continues to billow. And the astronomical loss of animal life is beyond comprehension. It's believed that over 1 billion, that's billion with a B, 1 billion animals have perished in the fires that continue to burn with still no end in sight. Some animal species, especially those that are already endangered, are at risk of or even likely to go extinct due to the loss of their numbers and their natural habitats. Australia, her people, and wildlife have been on my mind, and I felt compelled to do something, even though it's a very small thing, to acknowledge this catastrophe and to express to my Australian viewers how much you are in the hearts of others. This video is in memory of the lives that have been lost and the extreme loss of wildlife. And it is in recognition of the courageous efforts of all the firefighters and rescue workers battling these fires and their terrible effects. If prayer is a part of your life, remember Australia when you pray. Pray for helpful, steady rain in all the fire zones. Pray for safety, for recovery, and better days for all life down under. If you leave a comment below this video, and I really hope that you do, write it to our Australian friends, not to me. They need your support, your encouragement for hope and for strength and for healing. Offer help in whatever way you are able. May we see an end to this disaster soon. Thank you for watching.